Hi guys, today we're going to unpack and check out the S on off switch with Wi-Fi control, voice activation and also external switching. Let's remove from the box. We have instructions. Well, we have L in, neutral in. It's the same because they are connected to each other. Live in, live out, and we have external switching also. Let's connect the wiring. Normal override. We have the button here. That one is working. Add device, quick pairing, add one device, allow, next. We'll hold the button for 5 seconds till it starts blinking. Right now it's searching for the device. If it will switch on. Okay, it works from the mobile. We will try voice activation also. Okay Google, switch on LED bulb.
Got it. Turning LED bulb on.
Now we switch it off. Okay Google, switch off LED bulb.
Sure. Turning off LED bulb.
Now we will connect the external switch to override with a normal switch. Let's connect the device to a normal switch. I'm gonna switch off the power and remove, not only switching off. It has to be a retracting switch or touch. Okay Google, switch on LED bulb.
Got it. Turning on LED bulb.
You see, first it didn't understand. Now I'm going to switch it off from the switch. You can switch on again, and you can also switch it off voice activated. Okay Google, switch off LED bulb.
Alright.
You see?
Turning off LED bulb.
And you can do how many switches as you like in parallel. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.